Hello, David here, and the project for today is to do a post-mortem on the Cobra Dashcam model CDR 855BT. As you remember, I did a video on this. Well, I did two videos on this. I did an initial video of the unboxing and a review of the Dashcam. At that time, I thought it was a great item because I didn't know how crappy it was. Then I did a second video, a review. That was after owning it for a couple of years, and I wasn't so happy with it because I had a lot of trouble with it. I found out that the battery inside is probably dead and cannot be recharged or replaced, and I was told I just had to trash it. Well, that's not what we do around here, so I thought I'd try to open it up and see what kind of battery's inside, and who knows, maybe it can be replaced. And I thought I would just cut around the seam, and I have to do it lightly so I don't cut into the internals, and try to separate the case. I see a seam around here. I'm going to cut through there, see what we find out. It's a possibility I might destroy it, but it's pretty much trash anyway. So there's a ribbon connector in there for the screen. I bet there's a screw under there. Yeah, there's the camera. Here's the battery. It's not your conventional battery. P452430, 3.7 volts. Specialized battery like that probably have to be found on eBay, and it's glued in. Doesn't come off easily. Yeah, I knew I'd never get this thing back together again and operating again. I'm not going to spend the money to find a specialized battery like that. I suppose if you're an electronics wizard, you can probably use this camera for something. If anybody wants this hunk of stuff, let me know. I wonder if I could claim it on warranty. Tell them this is how I got it. Anyway, this piece of junk is a failure. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.